Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. I was in my design screen this week and I was looking for Magic Resize and I couldn't find it. This is a Canva Pro quick tip, but I just thought it would be useful in case you had the same problem that I did. Usually Magic Resize was up here in this corner, and now you can see it says Canva Pro. I decided to click on the Canva Pro, and Resize has now lost its name Magic, but it is still here. Just click on Resize and then you get all the resize options that you used to have. So it does still exist. If I go back and look at the other functions that you can do from here, you can get your brand kit and update it. Because I have a pro account, I can have more than one brand kit. With a free account, you can only have one. If I click on Scheduler, I can link to my content planner. And then here I have background remover, which I've done a video on quite recently. I just thought it would be really useful just to go through these as they're now all under this Canva Pro button. Hope that helps, and catch up with you soon.